This is question number 8. Here time t required for an elevator to lift a weight of varies jointly. Time t varies jointly as the weight W and the lifting depth D and depth D. Now we write this T is varies as jointly this W and D. This is our first. And again second part of this, T varies inversely. Now as the power of D varies as the power of P and depth D varies inversely as the power P of motor. This is T inversely varies inversely 1 over P, power of motor. Now this is our second result, and we combine this by combining 1 and 2. We write T varies W D over P, and we write again T is equal to K W D over P. The next portion of the question is, if 25 seconds time is equal to 25 seconds are required for a force of power is equal to 4 HP, and motor to lift a 500 lb, motor power lift 500, weight W is equal to 500 lb, and feet D is equal to 40 feet. Now we put this value here and we get the answer of K. Now this is T 25 seconds is equal to K, W is equal to 500 multiplied by this 40 over P is 4 this. Now again we write 25, this we multiply 0 and 5 4 the 20. Now this 20 multiplied by K, this and over 4. Now this 1 by cross multiplication, this 25 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20,000 multiplied by K is equal to 120,000 K. Now K is equal to 100 over 20,000 is equal to, this 2 will cancel this and is equal to 1 over 200. This is value of K. Now put value of K in the equation. T is equal to 1 over 200 multiply W D over P. Now this. The next portion of this question, what power is required to lift 800 lb? Now W is equal to 800 lb, and through 200 feet D is equal to 120 feet, and time is 40 seconds. T is 40 seconds. This. Now we again on next page. This is our next page. I will write again T is equal to 1 over 200 multiplied by W D over P. Now put this value. Time is 40 seconds. This 40 seconds is equal to 1 over 200 and multiply. Weight is 800 lb and multiply by d. D is 120 feet. 120 feet and we have to find power. We have to find power. Yes, this power we find this. Now we have to find power. What power? Now we multiply this. 40 is equal to, we multiply this by this. 800 multiply 120 is equal to 96,000 over 200p, this over 1 by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. This and this. 40 multiplied by 200 multiplied by p is equal to 96,000, and we write this 8,000 multiplied by p is equal to 96,000, and p is equal to 96,000 over 8,000. Now these three and 12 8s are. Now P is equal to 12 horsepower. Now this is the answer of this question. Now this is the question, and we write again the question number 9. This is the question number 9. Question number 9 is the kinetic energy KE. KE varies jointly as mass m of the body and square of the velocity and square of its velocity this v square of, इस मतलब है v square. Now KE is equal to varies as jointly as m v square. Now this, and KE is equal to K m v square. Now the next part, if kinetic energy is KE is equal to 4320 and feet lb, when the mass is 45 lb and velocity is 24, v is equal to 24 feet per second. Now put this value here and we get the answer, value of K. And kinetic energy is this 4320 is equal to K. M is equal to, this is M 45 multiply 45 and V 24 square. Now this is square, and we use the calculator and get the answer. And again we write this 4320 is equal to K multiply by 45 24 is equal to 45 multiplied by 576. Again 4320 is equal to K multiplied by this multiply 45 multiplied by 45 is equal to 25920, and K is equal to 4320 over 25920. We divide this 4320 and divide by 25920 is equal to 1 by 6. K is equal to 1 by 6, and we put the value in the equation, and is equal to Ke is equal to 1 by 6 mv square. mv square. The next portion of the question is determine the kinetic energy. We find Ke, this is we find, and Lb 300 Lb, this is equal to m 300 Lb, and V is equal to this V is equal to 44 feet square, feet second. Now put these values here, this, and we get the answer. Now this value Ke is equal to 1 by 6 multiplied by 300 and multiplied by 44 square. Now this, we find the value. This is 44 multiplied by 44 is equal to Ke 1 over 6 multiplied by 300 multiplied by 1936, and we get Ke is equal to 1 over 6 multiplied by we write the directly answer, multiply this and divide by this, and 1936 multiplied by 300 and divided by 6 is equal to 9. K, kinetic energy Ke is equal to 96800. Kinetic energy is equal to feet Lb. Now this is the answer of this question. This is the end of the exercise. Thank you.